Alright, day 4 with chopstick. And look at the grass wheat. What the hell's the other one? Radish sprouts. Look at that. 4 days, folks. Just 4 days. Well, I see that I might have to go in there and clean out the tank because apparently I dropped some seeds in there. Alright, I said that I was going to explain how I did this. Well, after I received this package, I cleaned it out. Clean out the gravel also, so you get all the dust out of it. Your normal, typical stuff. And I let it sit there for a week. Filtered water. You fill it up with filtered water. Okay? And you fill out these stones. You wash them out. Soak the seeds. And then put them in there. Had a little bit of head start. I did not use any of these things. If you could see that. I used this guy's poop. That's what I did. This guy's poop. Alright. Well, plain and simple, it works. It's beautiful. Next week, tomatoes and basil.